माइरोय हेमांजत फिजम अमदी लुवांग बिलिन थोंगंबी हेजमनी की मिहात कमरी लेनना सीबीआई ना पुणे दगी मियोय मसो फारे तोंगान तोंगान मफमदा सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ना कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशन चथबदा मसिंग यामलबा खुसुकुलाई किया अमसो फागतपा ngamle हाइना सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर टू सीएम कुलदीप सिंह फोंगदोक्खरे चीफ मिनिस्टर की दरबार हॉल द पांगथुकिबा पाव की मीफम अमदा वाफम असि फोंगदोक्लतुना महाकना हाई माहिरोय अनि हाटपदा चेनाबनी हाइबा मियोय मसो होकिबा युम सकेशन नुमिता सीबीआई की टीम अमना महाराष्ट्र की पुणे सिटी की मफम अमदगी फागतखिबने फारबा मियोय दुकी ममिंग पाउलुमांग अपोक्पा लुता थांग कवी हाइदि नाकल अमरोमदा हौजिक थोक्लिबा इरांग असि लाक्सिननबा लौकलकपा सेक्शन थौरांगी सरुक अमोइना ngasi चिंग अमदि तम अनि की तोंगान तोंगान मफमसिंगदा सेट अमदि सेंट्रल फोर्स ना सर्च ऑपरेशन चथकी मदुदा नोंमै कुनगा तरेट नोंमै मरु चहुंगा तरो एक्सप्लोसिव तरामाथोई मारुति जिप्सी अमा बालेनो कार अमा अमदि अतै पोलम के यामा सुफागत पंगम की सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ना सर्च ऑपरेशन चथकी मफमसिंग अदुदि इम्फाल वेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट की कामेंग खामरान अमदि मना हिंखोलनी इम्फाल वेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस अमदि सेंट्रल फोर्स की कंबाइन टीम अमना चथकीबा तिबहुमगी थबक अदुदा कार्बाइन अहुम मैगजीन मंगा मैगजीन याउबा 9mm पिस्तौल अमा 7.65 lama pistol ama 36 high explosive grenade ahum scope yawa airgun ama 9mm pistol ki maru humfu taret .45 mm round 78 inches rifle ki magazine ama bulletproof jacket nipan kongrau ama yauna police uniform tara humdoi jungle boot nipan dummy wooden rifle taramapan wireless set ahum gakloinana charger mari KCP PWG kangla ki receipt booklet ama attendance register ama mobile phone taruk amadi registration number plate yaudaba angoba machugi Maruti Gypsy ma recover tauke Kangpopi district ki manung chanba Singda Kuki Village Tasu Security Force ngasi ayupung maridagi taret ka minute yang kai fauba combing operation chathake maduda improvised pumpy cannon ama improvised projectile launcher ani muzzle loading rifle ani .303 rifle ama maru ahum yauba .303 magazine ama country met nongmai maru ani amadi letter bomb ama recover to bangamki Churachandpur district tasu security force ngasi ayuk search operation chathabada .303 rifle ama life round ani tear gas gun ama tear gas ki cell ani recover tauki hariba khulai sing asi district headquarters Churachandpur Arms Kotagi lut taukiba khulai singni Bisnupur district tasunga se ayuk Bisnupur district police amadi central force ki combined team amana Loktak police station akonba charoi khulena chathakiba search operation amada 9mm carbine ama 303 rifle ama maru mari yauba 32 sniper rifle ama AK-47 gi maru marifutara 36 high explosive grenade ani SLR gi maru taro detonator manga 9mm ball maru nifumanga centimeter 35 kuntraga manga sangba safety fuse amadi gunpowder plastic container ama recover to bangamki Imphal West District Police Commando na sungasi numit yung mamatong pung taraga nito yung makhairom tawa doayda thangoy vandagi KCP City Maitay ki miyoy ani fagat ke farba miyoy sing adudi kurai sezor laikai digi ning thosam salamba sing chahi kun taruk apok palay kitrava en subol amadi sekta mayay laikai digi wai gautam chahi kun mga apok pa wai ahong jaw kawi hari makoy ani tagi nongmay maru mari yawa 9mm pistol RFI ma nongmay maru ahum yawa .32 pistol ama mobile handset ahum Aadhaar card amadi Valeno car ama recover to bangamki haina mahakna makhataki
CBI has arrested one person named Paulumang, son of Luta Thang from Pune in connection with that case in which two students were kidnapped in July 23 and who are still missing. So in that case, development appears to take place very soon further, and further investigation and other details will be known once we meet CBI and take other details also. We are providing separate escort to them. The IG operations, earlier Chief Secretary also met with them, and Drivers Association as well as the Truck Owners Association, they all met along with the CSOs of None, and they also took charge of that the person who has fired upon, he will be identified and handed over to police. After that, yesterday some trucks plied, today maximum of them are plying. We have got that report and investigation is going on. There are conflicting reports, and whatever has been printed is one side of the story. Another side of the story are also there. We are investigating, and whoever are the miscreants, we will arrest them. No, then you lodge a complaint regarding that. Then we will start FIR and take up case. First, we will tell them not to indulge in this kind of activity. If they indulge, you lodge a case. There is unlawful activity, and we will lodge a case against whoever is not doing their duty properly, or whoever is not allowing you to do your duty properly. Nobody has a business to take your camera or things and delete photograph from there.